everyone, welcome back to Motor Minded. Meet the 2026 Toyota Hilux, the next generation of one of the world's most trusted pickups. Built to combine rugged capability, modern tech, and refined comfort, this Hilux aims to raise the bar. In this review, we'll dig into what's new, how it performs, and whether it's the right pick for you. The front fascia has been refined with sharper and more aggressive lines. A new grille design, more defined edges in the bonnet, squared-off fenders, lighting upgrades, LED headlamps standard in higher trims, slim DRLs, daytime running lights, C-shaped signature elements, new LED tail light design stretching wider on the rear. Bumpers, steps, practicality, redesigned rear bumper, some versions with integrated steps, possible side steps, perhaps fold out or flip out for access to the tray wheel and stance options. In higher trims or off-road flavored ones, larger wheels, beefier tires, possibly wider track, higher ground clearance and increased weighting depth. Step inside dashboard modernization, larger screens for both the infotainment and instrument cluster, more intuitive layout, upgraded materials on upper trims, comfort features, leather upholstery and premium trims, contrast stitching, dual-zone climate control, possibly panoramic sunroof in high-end versions, practical features, wireless charging, AC vents for rear seats, raised center console, plenty of storage, improved sound insulation. Technology and connectivity, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, over-the-air, OTA, updates for software, towing/off-road specific displays, ample USB ports. Under the hood, let's talk power. The 2026 Hilux keeps its reputation for strong torque and durability, especially diesel lovers will be pleased. 2.8L turbo diesel plus 48V mild hybrid, this is the main workhorse in many markets. About 204 horsepower, 500 Nm of torque. The mild hybrid assist helps with low-speed drivability, smoother acceleration from crawl, reduces fuel consumption by about 7%. Lighter engine options, for those markets or buyers who prioritize cost or fuel economy, there's a 2.4L unit, 150 HP/400 Nm, transmission and drivetrain. Depending on trim, you'll have either a 6-speed automatic or a manual and entry trims. 4x4 versions with selectable high/low range are available, electronic locking differential and higher/off-road trims, fuel economy and efficiency. The mild hybrid 2.8L diesel improves efficiency by 7% compared to previous non-hybrid versions. Real-world consumption will depend on load, terrain lighting upgrades. LED headlamps standard in higher trims, slim DRLs, daytime running lights, C-shaped signature elements, new LED tail light design stretching wider on the rear bumpers, steps, practicality, redesigned rear bumper, some versions with integrated steps, possible side steps, perhaps fold out or flip out for access to the tray for people who need a truck that can work hard, occasionally go off-road, be daily driven in traffic, and also be family friendly. The 2026 Hilux may offer the best balanced package. Thanks for watching this in-depth review of the 2026 Hilux. If you like the video, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss more reviews like this. Leave your questions in the comments. What variant would you go for, or what features are must-haves in your region? See you next time.